42 in count. That's the worry.
Yeah, ma'am. Remaining they will join.
Okay.
Let's start with. Yeah.
Okay, so let's get started. So as we have already set up the rules yesterday, so we'll have some 10-15 minutes of revision where I want each one of you to answer. So what did we learn yesterday, guys? Anyone from you? Please raise your hand and then we can get started. Come on. We learned something yesterday. Yeah, Lokesh. Keep your hand raised. I'll question you all. Yeah, Lokesh.
how to how to create the table. Then we have
Very
learned
good.
the minus process on table, like how to alter the table, means add extra column in the table. Then how to see the uh, table structure by using distinct describe.
Very good.
Then also select star from table name. This query also we can learn yesterday.
Execute.
Then
Yeah.
how to
That
drop table.
okay, Lokesh. Okay, let's give others also a chance. Thanks for that. I really like the way you have understood the whole part that we have covered yesterday. Now let's go to Lalita. Lalita, what would you add to Lokesh inputs?
So in short, we done yesterday is DDL commands, all DDL
Yes,
commands. So
very
we
good.
are create table, then alter table for adding and renaming. Then we are done
Very good.
drop table.
Very nice. I like the way, Lalita, you presented it, that we gone through the DDLs. So the answer, see guys, this is how we are going to also groom ourselves of how are we going to represent or what we know, how are we going to talk about it. So Lokesh, really very nice. You put forth all the details of what you have learned yesterday, but I like the thing that you made a note of all the minute things that were taught yesterday. And Lalita, uh, very good. You started off with a very impactful statement that we learned the DDLs, that is data definition, language, whatever commands or keywords are used, that is what we learned. So see, this is how you will be able to represent or project yourself when you know the details. Ajinkya, even you had raised your hand. Come on, add to it. We have
Yeah,
learned
ma'am.
something else also.
Yeah, ma'am. I can learn describes what the justified that describe helps to see the structure of the table, or
Hmm,
select it helps to fetch the data from database.
very
We
good.
can other queries also. So alter, drop, rename.
That they are not queries. Okay, those are DDLs, data definition statements.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so create, alter, and drop. And which command or which keyword we should restrict using, Ajinkya?
Yeah, ma'am. Please repeat.
Which keyword should we restrict using it? So as soon as you go into an organization, don't use that statement whether to, yeah, Rishi,
Drop.
drop. So
Yes,
you
drop.
know that there is something called as drop, but never make a use of it when you join any organization unless and until you have appropriate approvals. So when you join any organization, guys, when you have to take some these types of, now since we have learned till drop, I'm telling you in advance that there are still more commands that will help you in order to get rid of the data. But you need to have approvals in place in order to perform that action. Okay. So what you have to do is you need to take proper approvals. So there is a hierarchy that is being followed. If each one of them agrees to the action that you're going to take, then only you can execute that particular command. Okay. So this is, sorry, anything for me? Tushar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We learned one more thing. We learned one more thing. Uh, um, when you're creating the table, what are the details that you need to take care of?
Data types.
Yeah, data types, and also
Length.
what? Table name. Okay.
Size.
So tape size, very good. So data type, size, table name, and yeah, Rishi. Anyone?
Hello, am I
Yes,
audible?
Rishi. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
So
Shubham.
first,
Yeah.
first we should give the name of the table. After
Hmm.
that, data type and length, size, and after
Hmm.
closing the table, we should remember we need to close by semicolon.
No, but what do you give the data type? Just you give the data type.
No,
To whom or what you give the data type and the data length. That is the size. What are those? Come on, guys. What are those called as?
columns.
Columns, right?
okay.
So you should know what are you going to store. You should know what. Lalita, who is there on? Someone is not on mute and is talking on the mobile. Preeti, please be on mute, Preeti, because you were talking on mobile and we could hear you clearly. Okay. So, Lalita, you can put your hand down. So, in short or in summary, just to summarize what we learned yesterday, we learned how to create the table and the various operations that we can do on the table.